you ever get excited when you see a video promising AI hacks or save you time, only to find out it's the same worn-out, useless list as every other video, full of generic tips so vague that they're no help at all? Yeah, me too. So today we are breaking that cycle, and I am sharing real, actionable ChatGPT hacks that have actually transformed my workflow as a creative entrepreneur, saving me hours each and every week. So stick around, you do not want to miss this. Did you know that the average entrepreneur or small business owner wastes over 5 hours a week on tasks that AI can streamline? Imagine reclaiming that time to focus on what you love most: creating. Let's dive into some ChatGPT hacks that will make that happen. Hey, I'm Andy from Kraken Media, and today there's a challenge. I have to save 5 hours this week using these hacks, or else Skynet might finally take over and upload us all into the Matrix. Think I can pull it off? Let's find out. Between back-to-back meetings, endless brainstorming, and trying to articulate the whirlwind of ideas in my brain box, it's easy to feel swamped. But what if we could streamline these tasks? That's where ChatGPT comes in. Let me show you how it has transformed my daily workflow. First up, meetings. Record your Zoom or Google Meet sessions. For in-person meetings, just whack your phone into voice recorder. Drop the audio into Descript for a transcript, then paste that into ChatGPT and ask it for a summary. Now you can drop that summary into your CRM so that you can see at a glance what was discussed. But wait, there's more. You can ask ChatGPT specific questions about the meeting, have it draft minutes, follow-ups, or even create a list of action points. It's like having a personal assistant who never misses a detail. ChatGPT is a phenomenal research tool. Need interesting facts or stats to support a point? Just ask and then request the sources for credibility. For example, hey Chat, give me 3 compelling statistics about social media engagement for small businesses, and provide the sources.
Certainly, here are 3 compelling statistics about social media engagement for small businesses along with their sources.
Looking for software tools? Suppose you need to record your Zoom meetings for tip 1. Simply type, hey Chat, can you find me some free tools for recording my Zoom and Google Meet sessions? It saves you so much time sifting through endless search results. This is especially powerful for services that like to hide their prices behind a sign-up. Okay, good, we're making progress. Look, I've saved you 2 hours so far, and I'm not selling anything. This is all for you. So, if you could spare me 2 seconds and drop a like and hit that subscribe button, it would mean a lot. Thank you. Ever feel like your brain's running at 100 miles an hour, but your ideas just come out as, well, gibberish? As creatives, our brains buzz with ideas, but articulating them can be tricky. If you get stuck writing a response but have the general idea, drop it into ChatGPT. It helps you structure your thoughts into something more succinct and polished, making you sound slightly less like a rambling idiot. For instance, I once had a complex idea for a client proposal. My initial draft was, well, frankly, all over the place. ChatGPT helped me craft a clear, professional proposal that impressed the client. Okay, here's a trick I swear by: recording my thoughts as audio. I just flick on a mic, ramble about whatever topic I'm tackling, and then transcribe that audio. Descript is great for this, and drop the transcript into ChatGPT. I just ask it to tidy up the text while keeping the personality and tone of the original speaker, me. It removes all the nonsense and leaves me with a polished script.
Hold on. Yeah.
Fun fact, this is how I script most of my YouTube videos. Don't underestimate ChatGPT for checking grammar and coherence before sending or posting. A quick hack. I have some chats pre-coached for specific tasks. Like, I have one dedicated to just checking for mistakes and suggesting improvements before I post content on social media. You know, so I don't look like a total dummy. To keep these important chats from getting lost, I rename them and include a dash and a star at the beginning of the name so that they're easy to spot. And then it's like having a personalized assistant that's always there on standby. Whenever I get writer's block, I rely on ChatGPT. I ask it for ideas, add some of my own, and then iterate. It's like brainstorming with a non-judgmental partner who has endless creativity and patience. Need to know what your competitors are up to? ChatGPT can help with that too. Ask it for an overview of your industry's competitive landscape or specific strategies competitors might be using. It compiles that information in a digestible format, saving you hours of research. It looks like we're safe from Skynet. For now. Challenge complete. 5 hours saved, no matrix upload in sight. But seriously, these ChatGPT hacks have transformed how I work, and I hope they can do the same for you. Whether it's clarifying ideas, saving time on research, or automating repetitive tasks, ChatGPT can be your personal productivity booster. Now, I've saved you 5 hours a week, so why not use that time to learn these 5 soft skills that I use to transform my creative agency and land more clients? I tell you everything in this video right here.